Hi there, this is Treb from Tumble Road, and I am super excited to be going to SharePoint Fest this year, and I hope you are too. Now, as many of us are being asked to do today, we're facing situations where we have to do more with the data that we're gathering in SharePoint. We have to create reports, people want dashboards, they want the latest state of things. How do we do this? Well, typically the answer is, well, do it in Power BI. And that sounds great until you have to try to learn it yourself. And you're piecing it together from 1,000 videos and whatnot. It's just not that easy. Well, no more. Come to my workshop at SharePoint Fest, and I'll show you how to begin well and end excellently. We're going to take data from Excel, SharePoint list, and SharePoint folders. We're going to show you how to pull that information together into wonderful looking reports, and then how to package them and send them out to your users. Hope to see you there. At very least, come by at SharePoint Fest and say hi. We're doing 3 other sessions, and we'll see you there. Thanks.